Hello! In today's video, we'll take a closer look at this 60-round AK magazine. What I have here is a refined, rugged piece of equipment. A quad-stack AK magazine meticulously designed and engineered in Germany by Schmeisser. Bless you, sir! This fine specimen is constructed of high-strength polymers reinforced with glass fibers. It provides high tensile strength and good resistance to blunt force impacts. Excuse me, sir, you are in the wrong video. The front and back locking lugs are reinforced with steel inserts, which provide secure locking and maximum strength. The side of the body has a clear window where you can see the amount of rounds left in the magazine. Some say that the beauty of things comes from the simplicity of the design, and I tend to agree with this statement. The magazine disassembles easily without any tools. The normal maintenance, if needed, only includes cleaning and light oiling of the parts as you would with a standard AK magazine. This dongly bit can be further disassembled, but otherwise just stays in one piece for easy assembly. The quad-stack AK magazine is actually lighter, empty, than a standard steel AK magazine. And comparing to a 40-rounder, it is shorter, but it is a thick boy. These magazines should fit most of the AK rifles on the market. We had absolutely no problems with using them on the Yugo AKs or standard Russian AKMs, but on certain SDM, the Chinese-made AKs, some of the magazines fit a bit snug. After a couple of dry runs, the problem is gone. Regarding the ammunition, we have heard that there may be some problems with fitting with certain types of ammo. So this is the shitty surplus Chinese ammo, the copper-plated one. These are the rounds that Schmeisser says that they do not work well in their magazines. And we found out when we are doing high rate of fire for the last couple of rounds, when they come from quad stack to double stack, sometimes they cause a jam. They do not feed and you get an empty chamber. We lubricate the rounds and they work better. The loading process is quite simple, but after the first 10 rounds, the spring tension increases dramatically. For this case, you can actually use the Mag-Lula magazine loaders to help you with the process. The magazine is very easy to reload, no problem at all. You may have some issues trying to fit it in a normal magazine pouch. Yes, it does barely fit in certain pouches, but it's very tight and hard to achieve without lubrication. An interesting fact is that these magazines are full auto rated. Not that most of us will ever need this, but it's cool nevertheless. Quick conclusion. Very good rugged magazines. They are cheaper, lighter than AK drums. They function properly and we really like them. Engineered by Germans, approved by Slavs. Thank you for watching, see you soon. Meticulously designed and engineered in Germany by Schmeisser. By Schmeisser. A rečem še bolj nemško. Schmeisser! By Schmeisser. By Schmeisser. Pizda. Schmeisser. 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 By Schmeisser. By Schmeisser. By Schmeisser.
Bless you, sir.
Tega sedi tako.
Reload!
And this provides.